What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to be covering this pistol here. It is a revolver that I own. It's a very popular and common cheap plinking gun. Heritage Manufacturing Incorporated. It's 100% American made. Let's pop this top off and let's give you a look inside. There it is. You got the revolver, you got the cylinder. It comes with two cylinders. The one that's pre-installed is a 22 long rifle. Taking a look at this beautiful gun here. It's a very beautiful gun. Here is the other cylinder it comes with. See if I can get this to focus here. Boom. 22 mag. So it comes with a 22 Magnum cylinder and the 22 long rifle cylinder, which I don't know if I can get it. I don't see the 22 long rifle on the cylinder. It's probably because it's the way it comes to begin with. But so let's see, just to make sure y'all can see. There we go. There's absolutely no rounds in this cylinder. Boom, there you go. Safe. It's a good looking gun right there. Little plinker. These are sold for about $189.99. Anywhere you can get them, for the most part. Academy, I believe, is where this one was purchased at. So Academy Sports and Outdoors, they have them. $189.99. All right, guys, that's pretty much it. I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.